Okay, so I wanted to do a quick shop vlog about what's been going on with Light Street Creations. I just went away on vacation for a couple of weeks, just came back. But before I left, I was able to take a routers basics class, and I made this cutting board. It's two pieces. It's walnut and maple. It's pretty nice. Just comes apart like that. So I used a template on that to make that with the router. So I took the class at Woodcraft. And that's where I took my woodworking basics, my cutting board class, and it was pretty good. It was a nice class. So I'll be making some cutting boards and some routered out template cutting boards. I was able to pick up some glue spreaders, palm sander, and I did want to cover up the price, but let me cover up the price. But I was able to get one of these micro jigs for the table saw. I think it's a pretty nice things. Makes it safe, makes the table saw a little bit safer. So, and then I was also able to pick up some clamps. I got like 5 of these clamps too. So so that's basically it. So just coming back from vacation, looking forward to getting into the shop and making some cutting boards and things like that. Also getting into turning again. So that's it. So I know it's a random video. It's just a shop vlog, letting you know what's going on. So anybody that's out there watching in YouTube land. So by the way, thanks for watching my videos. And that is it. How do I turn this thing off?